Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 general knowledge part 16. So let's start this video. Environmental conservation. Fill in the blanks. Question of first, rain that had been pulled by the harmful gas, it contained oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. Rain that has been pulled by harmful gases, it contains oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. So you feel acid rain means when first time raining, so there are so many sulfur oxides, and oxides contains nitrogen oxides come with water, so this is called the acid rain. Question number second, this movement was carried out in 1917 by the Uttarakhand people to protect the Himalaya forest. They used the tree to save them from deforestation. Means this movement was carried in 1970 by Uttarakhand people to protect Himalaya forest. They have the tree to save them from deforestation. This is called the Chipko movement. This is called the Chipko movement. Question number third, gradual rise of earth temperatures due to high level of carbon dioxide and other gases in it. The gradually rise of earth temperature, so this is called the global warming. Global warming, you feel global warming. Question number 4, this layer of gas in the upper atmosphere protect the earth from the harmful ultraviolet ray of the sun. Means this layer of gas in upper atmosphere protect the earth from the harmful ultraviolet ray of the sun. This is called the ozone layer. This is called the ozone layer. Fifth, certain object cannot be disposed of naturally. Certain object cannot be disposed of naturally. They mix with the soil and keep on lying there for a pretty long time. They cause pollution of the soil as well as air. These are called the non-biodegradable. This is called the non-biodegradable, means they are not mixed with soil, keep on lying there for pretty long time. So this is called the non-biodegradable. Question number 6, throwing away garbage in the water bodies. Throwing away garbage in the water bodies cause water pollution. Means throwing away garbage in the water bodies causes water pollution. 7th, was the project started to clean the polluted rivers of India by Veerbhadra Mishra. This is called the Ganga Action Plan. Called the Ganga Action Plan to clean polluted river of India by Veerbhadra Mishra. Ganga Action Plan. Next, architectural wonders around the world. Question number first, it was called Victoria Terminus. It is a historic railway station in Mumbai. It is one of the busiest railway stations in India. It is a mixture of British and Indian architecture and is the World's Heritage by UNESCO. Means UNESCO under this railway station, the name of this railway station Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus means it is situated in Mumbai. It is one of the busiest railway station in India. It is a mixture of British and Indian architecture and heritage by UNESCO. The name of this Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. Question number second, it is a resort in Chile. It has the largest pool in the world. It is resort in the Chile. It is the largest pool in the world. The name of this San Alfonso del Man. San Alfonso del Man. Question number 3, known as the water cube, it is a beautiful building alongside Beijing National Stadium. It was built for 2008 Summer Olympic. Means it is known as the water cube, and it is a beautiful building along Beijing's National Stadium. It was built for 2008 Summer Olympic. The name of this National Aquatics Center. National Aquatic Center. Fourth, it is rail tunnels between England and France and run beneath the English Channel. It is 50 km long. It is used both for passengers and flight. It is a rail tunnels between England and France. The name of this Channel Tunnel. Channel Tunnel. Fifth, it is a large glass and metal pyramid in Paris. It is surrounded by three small pyramids. This is called the Louvre Pyramid. This is called the Louvre Pyramids, situated in Paris. Question number 6. It is located in Bilbao, Spain. It is really an architectural wonder. It is one of the most beautiful work of modern art and it popular tourist attraction. Means it is located in Bilbao, Spain. It is situated in Spain. It is really a architecture's wonder. It is one of the most beautiful works of modern arts and it is popular tourist attraction. The name of this called the Huygens Museum. Huygens Museum. Question number 7. It is 42-story high, tallest Ferris wheel in the world. It is 42-story high, tallest Ferris wheel in the world. The name of this Singapore Flyer. Singapore Flyer. Question number 8. They are a set of 3 artificial islands shaped like palm tree topped with the secret. The material used for construction was brought from UAE. Means they are the 3 artificial islands shaped like the palm tree. The name of this Palm Island. Palm Island. Question number 9. It is in London. It is environment friendly skyscraper uses less energy than normal. Uses less energy than normal. This is called 30 St. Mary X. 30 St. Mary X. Test your mental ability. Question first. In the birthday party, the hall is to be decorated with balloons. There are 5 boxes of balloons. Red box with 15 balloons, blue with 32 balloons, green with 27 balloons and 10 balloons in the yellow box. The pink box contains 49 balloons. Sunil wants to use only 3 boxes and total 108 balloons. How will he do it? Means you select any 3 balloons, 3 box of balloons and have total 108. Sunil use pink, green and blue box. When we add pink 49, green 32 and blue 27, then total is 108. So Sunil use pink, green and blue box to complete 108 balloons. Question number 2. If 6 horse eat 6 wheels of hay in 6 days, how many wheels will 12 horse eat in 12 hours? The correct answer is 12, because 6 horse eat 6 wheels in 6 days, then 12 horse eat 12 days. Question number 3. Rani and Veena had equal number of beads. Rani and Veena had equal number of beads. Rani arranged her beads in group of 6 and found that 1 bead was left over. Veena arranged in group of 5 and found that 2 beads were left over. How many beads did each have if the bits was less than 50 and more than 10. The correct answer is 37. Hopefully all students understands full content of this video. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.